So hi guys, so as you can tell from this video, this is my long-awaited room tour that I did want to show, and that's why this is one of the reasons why, you know, I haven't put new videos on my YouTube channel, because I've been remodeling my room and I'm so excited to show you. So let's get started. So as you can see from this area, this is my picture wall. I've been waiting to do this, and you know, this is where I'm gonna be taking my next few Instagram pictures. It's really cute. I didn't really have a theme in plan, except, you know, I just wanted pink and bright and like whited. So I did that. All the pictures, I bought them from Costco. It was like $15, and where you can also get them, you know, from Walmart or some, not Walmart, from a CVS or Walgreens. I'll put link down below my Pinterest board if you guys like the pictures and you want to print them out. Next is, you guys already know, my lovely Polaroid wall. It's done. I worked on it quite a while, and this is where I film most of my videos because I didn't want to show you the other side of my room. So this is where it's at. And then I think that, yeah, all the pictures are from my Polaroid, and some are a few my friends printed. This is my moon mirror. I think I got it in Five Below, and I'll try to link it down below. If you couldn't tell, my theme is like pink and white, so yeah. Then we have my most, like, you know, favorite part of the room, this background. So this took me quite a while to do. The shelves are from Amazon, so I linked that below. The vines are from Shein. So this is my favorite part. I've been trying to do my room a certain way because of COVID. I'm doing school from home, so honestly it's a fun experience, you know, just to make your room, you know, a comfy place where you can just stay and just relax. So that's that. So I decorated a little bit. Most of my stuff are, you know, stuff I already own, books, perfumes. My bag is from Amazon. It was from what's in my bag, so if you haven't seen that video, you should check it out. Then my bed, it's really messy because I'm doing homework here, but it's kind of like a boho chic aesthetic with some fall in it. And then my accessories wall and my mirror. This is where I keep my glasses, my bracelets, my earrings, my necklaces, and my beautiful, you know, hat monument. I love this area because, you know, I hate having necklaces all scrambled up in one little box. So having it here is so easy because on the go, I just grab a necklace, put it on, and I don't have to like waste on untangling the necklace or anything. So that's Alexa. She's my cameraman. So then we have here my drawer. I think my drawer came with the house, so I can't link it down below. All of the furniture came from the house, so I'm not going to link anything down below, but this is my little cute area. This is where I keep my perfumes. I have all my fall stuff here, so it's very cute. Some of the decorations are from Target and dollar stores, so I'll try to find it so I can link it down below. My bags, this is where I keep my perfumes, and I change it after every season. My dailies, and my photo album, and my book. Then we have a mess here. Don't mind that. This is where I keep all my makeup and hair accessories, as well as some, you know, accessories. So up here we have my, you know, dailies, perfumes, creams. I sometimes just keep things here. And then all of these drawers are full of makeup, and, you know, I don't want to open them because I am going to do an organization video, so wait for that. And then don't mind this mess because we're in class, but I'm going to hide because this is a teacher. But this is my desk. Like I said, I'm going to do an organization video so you guys, you know, can see me organize. And then, yeah guys, oh, don't mind this mess either. But here's my wall thingy. My friend got it from Etsy, I'm pretty sure. She gave it to me. Then I have some pictures here. And yeah guys, thank you so much for watching this video. It is a little bit on the short side because it's just my updated room tour, and there'll be more videos to come up. There should be an organization video coming up sometime this Friday or weekend. And like I said, there's gonna be more videos. There's gonna be a fashion video coming very soon, like a shopping haul. And I'm just excited to show you everything that I haven't planned. That's why I've been so absent from my YouTube channel, because I have so many videos I want to do that I'm just like planning everything out. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!